All right, we are here at Izumi at the sushi window. Look who's back there. He's back there working. I'm here with Stone. Came all the way from Singapore. Look who's back there working. The Master Chef himself. Look at that. He not only runs the places and manages it and oversees and does all the training and development, but he's in the trenches working and hands-on. Look at him. Wow. Unbelievable, man. This guy, he's like the Energizer Bunny.
Energizer Bunny, yes. Made out of Japanese battery called Bensu or something like that.
Bensu.
Did you invent the Ginsu knives?
Ginsu? Oh my god, please. At least a Japanese Yanagi knife, you know? Yeah.
Ooh, we have edamame.
Aha. I'm trying
And
to
we're gonna do a washy.
because, you know, it's a lot of USP stuff, you know?
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna show it to the USPH. All right. Oh my goodness. It's Kunaguchi.
Yeah.
Saki, pour one for you.
Kunaguchi, yes. Namagenshi.
Go ahead.
Pour one for you.
Unpasteurized
Yeah.
sake.
Saki to me.
It's raw sake. No pasteurization, no heat treatment.
Wow, no pasteurization, no heat treatment.
Oh, is there two cups there? You don't drink? You don't drink? You sure? Come by, Nick.
Bye.
Come by.
Ah. All right.
Yep, that tastes like rice sake. Rice wine.
Wow.
That does have a tinge taste.
It's pretty strong.
Yeah, that's why I cut things.
Pretty strong. All right, we'll sip on that.
Sea, salmon, and tuna carpaccio, right? All flavored, ready to go for
Japanese scallops, hamachi, salmon, and tuna.
ya? Yes. Okay. There you go. Enjoy.
Wow,
It'll pair nicely with the sake.
he made that. Look at that. Wow,
Beautiful.
that's amazing. We have salmon, hamachi, salmon, and tuna paired with this sake, which is quite strong. What's in here?
Sorry, sauce.
Oh, soy sauce. Okay.
You don't want to drink that.
No. All right, this is just really amazing. I'm gonna try this.
Amazing.
I'm seeing wagyu for you.
Look at that.
But this one, don't put it on the menu yet because for my future.
This is a
you're gonna
prototype.
say, "Where did you get that?"
Yeah, that's the prototype. Wow. Exclusive. Master Chef Travis Kamiyama
I can only do
in
this
action.
early, and for the inauguration, it's impossible because it was invitation only,
Yep.
and I had no control over the reservation.
Wow. All right.
Yeah, Nick. Scallop. Well, let me wait. This is a Hokkaido scallop nigiri with the nigiri sauce and real wasabi. This is the A4 wagyu seared with a yuzu kosho chimichurri sauce. And this is again scallop sashimi with a little bit of nigiri sauce, real wasabi. Try this.
Wow. I hope you got all that because I didn't. I heard wagyu.
That's right.
I had wagyu. Okay. These are all prototypes.
So, you know, just say, oh, it's a chef special.
Chef special.
Yeah, something like that, but nothing specific.
Yeah, I don't know what these are, but they're just prototype. We're testing. We're guinea pigs.
Yeah, please don't waste that wasabi. That wasabi you can eat on its own.
That looks good.
Oh yeah.
All right, we're gonna dig in.
Nigiri and a little togashi. Try it like that. No soy sauce. Yeah. That's a clean, like that's a Edo style.
Some kind of salmon and tuna.
Cold salmon.
He's just out there, he's just cooking one thing after another. He's just doing one thing after another. It's time for some more sake.
That's good.
It's full. Okay. How beautiful that is. Master Chef at work.
The next day that's St. Thomas, yeah?
What these are again?
This one is chicken karaage, so it's marinated with the ginger, so it's gonna be ginger flavor with sweet chili sauce, really fried.
And we know what these are.
Yes, it's like yours.
Yeah.
Everybody like pork dumpling.
Oh yeah, pork
Ginger.
dumplings.
Coke, sure. Just regular Coke. Okay. Regular.
Oh yeah.
I'm coming, yeah?
Look
How
at-
about you, sir?
When you're done with your sushi inside the sushi restaurant, Izumi, come out here to Izumi in the park. My recommendation is get the bubble cone. It is just an amazing ice cream cone. Soft, warm, waffle, bubbly, creamy, rich ice cream, lots of toppings. Right here at the walk-up window. That's where you get it. $8 plus 18%. Highly recommended. So that is your Central Park Izumi and Izumi in the Park. Here in Central Park. Here is the bubble cones in the making. Look at that. You're getting the chocolate thrill. Chocolate ice cream, chocolate sprinkles, chocolate everything, chocolate. You can feel the warm bubble cone already through the cup. Look at that. It's beautiful.